Hi there traders, this is Steve Miley, the market chartist on behalf of Forexfraud.com, and we're here taking a look at both the Antipodean currencies, the New Zealand dollar and the Australian dollar, both as spot FX rates, both against the US dollar in here, and different fortunes for these two currencies. Although their economy is very linked and they very much tend to move in the same direction. New Zealand dollar significantly underperforming of late the Australian dollar, partially due to the fact that the RBNZ, New Zealand Central Bank, has continued to shift to more dovish and the economic data continue to deteriorate. Slightly mixed fortunes for the Australian dollar, and having already shifted to very dovish, the Australian Central Bank may be coming back a little bit from that dovish stance. So New Zealand dollar in here selling off against the US dollar, and just last week in here probing below this key lows. The key lows we put in here at 67.16 from February, and then earlier in April we rebounded off that level, and then just prodding below that late last week down to 67.11. We did get a rebound after that, but we think that's enough. That actually signals a double top pattern up here from these two highs with the low in between. So we do see more of a negative tone on an intermediate term outlook despite this rebound we got, and we're going to look for negative pressures to come through as we go through into the second half, into the middle of April and the second half of April. For the Australian dollar, you can see a kind of different outlook in here. The market actually pushing higher in here through April so far into towards the middle of the month. On Friday, taking out peaks here at 71.68, 71.75, close to this 71.99 level, and critically 72.07. We think if we get above 72.07, that's enough to not only neutralize kind of in the intermediate term bearish threat, but actually then signal an intermediate term more bullish tone. So a more bullish threat for the Australian dollar, and for the New Zealand dollar having just signaled a more bearish intermediate term outlook. This has been Steve Miley, the market chartist for Forexfraud.com, and I wish you a great trading day.